While everyone chases the same overhyped AI names, Wall Street's smartest money is quietly building positions in a few under-the-radar companies. These aren't just riding the AI wave, they're building the digital infrastructure the economy will run on for years. In this video, I'll reveal 3 AI stocks Wall Street is quietly loading up on, each with deep moats and massive growth potential. These are the companies you'll wish you bought today, fundamentally changing how businesses operate. Software is built, and digital assets are protected. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Let's dive into the real long-term winners. Our first company is UiPath, ticker PATH. If you've ever wondered how the world's largest organizations are able to process mountains of paperwork, manage endless data, and keep operations running smoothly around the clock, UiPath is often the answer behind the scenes. UiPath automates repetitive, rule-based office tasks, think data entry, invoice processing, onboarding, using software robots. These bots tirelessly handle the boring manual work that used to eat up hours of employee time, freeing up people to focus on higher value, creative, and strategic projects. This is robotic process automation, or RPA, and UiPath is the clear leader. Their technology is trusted by thousands of companies worldwide, from nimble startups to Fortune 500 giants, to streamline operations and reduce human error. Their platform lets businesses design, deploy, and manage a digital workforce that works 24/7, with perfect accuracy, at a fraction of the cost. Imagine having a team of digital employees who never sleep, never call in sick, and never make mistakes. This is the promise UiPath delivers. As companies look to integrate more complex AI, they need clean, automated processes. UiPath provides that essential foundation. Without automation, AI initiatives can get bogged down by messy manual workflows and inconsistent data. UiPath's platform ensures that the groundwork is solid, so advanced AI can be layered on top seamlessly. Once a company embeds UiPath, switching is tough and costly, creating sticky customers and high switching costs. The more processes a business automates, the more deeply UiPath becomes woven into its daily operations, making it a mission-critical partner. The land and expand model means customers start small, then automate more processes across departments, driving organic revenue growth. A single department might begin with invoice automation, but soon, HR, finance, and operations are all leveraging UiPath's platform, multiplying the value over time. The RPA market is still in its early innings. Most business processes globally are still manual, giving UiPath a huge runway. The potential for automation is massive, with billions of hours of repetitive work still waiting to be digitized across industries like healthcare, banking, manufacturing, and logistics. UiPath is evolving from simple automation to intelligent process automation, integrating generative AI to handle unstructured data and complex decisions. This means UiPath bots can now read emails, understand documents, and even make judgment calls, tasks that once required human intervention. Their end-to-end platform becomes the central nervous system for business operations. It connects disparate systems, orchestrates workflows, and provides real-time insights, making businesses more agile and responsive in a fast-changing world. Wall Street sees UiPath as a need-to-have for digital transformation, not just a nice-to-have. In today's economy, companies that don't automate risk falling behind, and UiPath is the go-to solution for those looking to future-proof their operations. UiPath is consistently ranked number 1 in RPA by Gartner and Forrester, making it the safe choice for large enterprises. These endorsements matter. CIOs and CTOs want proven best-in-class partners when automating mission-critical processes. Their massive customer base gives them a data advantage, improving their products and widening their lead. Every automated process generates valuable data, which UiPath uses to refine its algorithms and deliver even more value to customers. Financially, UiPath generates substantial recurring revenue, mostly from high-margin subscriptions. This business model provides stability and predictability, allowing UiPath to invest confidently in innovation and customer support. Their net retention rate is strong. Customers spend more each year, a hallmark of a sticky platform. As clients automate more, their spending grows, and UiPath's value proposition becomes even more compelling. While investing heavily in growth, UiPath has a clear path to sustainable free cash flow as they scale. Their disciplined approach to expansion means they're not just chasing growth for growth's sake, they're building a durable, profitable business. Their balance sheet is strong, with lots of cash and little debt, giving them flexibility to invest and weather downturns. This financial strength is a key differentiator, especially in uncertain economic times. The stock has been beaten down with other growth names, but the business fundamentals remain strong. Short-term market sentiment has created a disconnect between price and value, opening a window for patient investors. This disconnect is why institutional investors are quietly accumulating shares. They see the long-term potential, When the market is distracted by quarterly noise, the smart money looks years ahead. Institutional ownership is rising. These investors are betting UiPath will be much bigger and more profitable in 5 to 10 years. Their conviction is a strong signal for retail investors looking for asymmetric opportunities. UiPath is the undisputed leader in a massive growing market with a sticky product, proven growth model, and clear AI roadmap. Their competitive moat is widening as they innovate and scale. The market's short-term focus has created an attractive entry point for long-term investors. For those willing to look beyond the next quarter, UiPath offers a rare combination of growth, resilience, and innovation. With a market cap of $8.17 billion, UiPath trades at a price-to-earnings ratio of 36.4, with earnings per share of 42 cents. In 2024, UiPath is expected to generate $1.3 billion in revenue and just under $90 million in net income. These numbers highlight a business that is profitable but still reinvesting in growth, positioning itself as a leader in robotic process automation. UiPath is a classic quiet accumulation story, category-defining, overlooked, and built for compounding. The seeds planted today could grow into something truly transformative over the next decade. If you're looking for a foundational AI investment, UiPath deserves a spot on your radar. It's not just about automation, it's about enabling the future of work, unlocking productivity, and driving digital transformation at scale. The opportunity is in seeing past the noise and focusing on the long-term compounding potential. Those who recognize the power of automation and AI today will be the ones to benefit most tomorrow. UiPath is quietly powering the next wave of enterprise automation. As more companies embrace digital transformation, UiPath's influence will only grow, shaping the future of business worldwide. The smart money knows it. This video is brought to you by Value Stocks Investing Master Course. If you're looking to grow your wealth by investing in solid, undervalued stocks, but not sure where to start, I created the Value Stocks Investing Master Course to teach you how to identify great companies, make smart investment decisions, and build a portfolio that lasts. Click the link in the description and pinned comments to get the course today and take control of your financial future. Our second company is GitLab, ticker GTLB. If you've ever worked in software development, you've probably heard the name, but even if you haven't, GitLab is quietly powering the backbone of the digital world. In today's world, every company is a software company. Speed and security in software development are critical. Whether you're a bank, a retailer, or a healthcare provider, your ability to innovate and deliver new features quickly can make or break your business. DevOps, the process of building and deploying software, was once fragmented and slow. Teams juggled a patchwork of tools, each with its own quirks, leading to confusion, wasted time, and costly errors. GitLab solves this with a single unified platform for the entire DevOps lifecycle. From planning and coding to testing, security, and deployment, everything happens in one place, streamlining collaboration and boosting productivity. Instead of juggling a dozen tools, companies get one application, one data model, and one interface, simplifying everything. This means less time spent on integration headaches and more time focused on building great products. This creates high switching costs. Once a company adopts GitLab, moving away is a nightmare. The platform becomes deeply embedded in daily workflows, making it a mission-critical part of the business. GitLab's platform is foundational for modern software, and demand is only growing as software eats the world. Every industry is being transformed by code, and GitLab sits at the heart of that transformation. The AI angle, GitLab is integrating AI across its platform. AI now suggests code, finds vulnerabilities, predicts bugs, and summarizes issues, making developers far more productive. This isn't just about automation, it's about empowering teams to do more with less. This isn't a gimmick. AI-assisted DevSecOps helps companies build better software, faster, with the same team. It reduces human error, accelerates release cycles, and helps organizations stay ahead of the competition. Onboarding new developers becomes seamless and teams can collaborate across continents as if they're in the same room. GitLab's cloud-native approach means it scales effortlessly, from startups to Fortune 500 giants. Growth comes from companies ditching DIY tool chains for GitLab's unified solution, and from upselling customers to higher tiers with advanced features. As organizations mature, they unlock more value from the platform, driving recurring revenue. Security is built in from the ground up, a huge advantage as DevSecOps becomes a top priority. With cyber threats on the rise, companies need tools that protect their code and data at every stage. Financially, GitLab is a high-growth, subscription-based business with best-in-class net retention. Customers stay and spend more. This recurring revenue model provides stability and predictability, even in volatile markets. Gross margins are strong, and as GitLab scales, profitability and free cash flow are within reach. The company is investing for the future, but the path to sustainable profits is clear. The balance sheet is healthy, with plenty of cash and minimal debt, allowing continued investment in innovation and growth. This financial strength gives GitLab the flexibility to weather storms and seize new opportunities. The stock has dropped with the broader tech sell-off, but the business is executing flawlessly. Sometimes, the market's mood doesn't reflect a company's true potential. Institutional investors are quietly building positions, recognizing GitLab's sticky platform, massive market, and long-term tailwinds from digital transformation and AI. These are the smart money players who see beyond the headlines. GitLab is a bet on the future of software, a deep moat, multiple growth levers, and a discounted valuation. Its competitive advantages are only getting stronger as the world becomes more digital. The company has a market cap of $6 billion, but it is still operating at a loss, with earnings per share at negative 28 cents, revenue of $579.9 million, and a net loss of $425.67 million. In 2024, GitLab represents a high-risk, high-reward opportunity. Its focus on software development lifecycle tools positions it well in a critical segment of enterprise technology, but investors need to weigh its growth potential against its ongoing losses. For long-term investors, GitLab is a compelling opportunity Wall Street is quietly accumulating. The company's vision, execution, and market position make it a standout in the tech landscape. It's a category-defining company, foundational to the digital economy. As more businesses rely on software, GitLab's importance will only grow. The market's short-term worries have created a rare entry point. Will you take advantage? Sometimes the best opportunities come when others are looking the other way. Our third company is SentinelOne, ticker S. In the rapidly evolving world of cybersecurity, SentinelOne stands out as a true innovator, harnessing the power of artificial intelligence to defend against the most sophisticated digital threats. As the world goes digital, cybersecurity is existential. Threats are evolving fast, often powered by AI. Every day, new attack vectors emerge, targeting everything from critical infrastructure to personal devices, and the stakes have never been higher. Traditional security is too slow. By the time a human analyst reacts, the damage is done. The sheer volume and speed of attacks overwhelm even the best security teams, leaving organizations vulnerable to breaches, data loss, and costly downtime. SentinelOne's Singularity platform is autonomous and AI-powered, monitoring every process, file, and connection in real time. It's like having a digital guardian that never sleeps, constantly scanning for anomalies and suspicious behavior across your entire network. It uses behavioral AI to instantly spot and stop threats, even brand new ones, without waiting for human intervention. This means zero-day attacks and novel malware are neutralized before they can do harm, giving organizations a critical edge. When a threat is detected, Singularity kills the process, quarantines the device, and can roll back damage in seconds. This rapid, automated response minimizes disruption and ensures business continuity, even in the face of advanced attacks. This is a paradigm shift. Proactive, autonomous defense built for the modern threat landscape. Instead of reacting to incidents, SentinelOne anticipates and neutralizes them, fundamentally changing how organizations approach security. SentinelOne's moat is its AI-first architecture and massive data advantage. Millions of endpoints feed its models, making them smarter and harder to beat. The more data the platform ingests, the more effective its algorithms become, creating a powerful network effect. Legacy players are bolting AI onto old systems. SentinelOne was built for this from day one. Its technology stack is purpose-built for automation and scale, not retrofitted, which gives it a significant edge in both performance and reliability. The replacement of legacy antivirus is a huge tailwind. Companies are switching to SentinelOne for better protection. As cyber threats grow more complex, organizations are realizing that outdated solutions simply can't keep up, fueling rapid adoption of next-gen platforms. The platform is expanding beyond endpoints to cloud, identity, and data security, increasing revenue per customer. This broadening of capabilities positions SentinelOne as a one-stop shop for comprehensive digital defense, deepening customer relationships and stickiness. Their channel-first sales model scales efficiently, reaching thousands of customers through partners. This approach accelerates growth and allows SentinelOne to penetrate new markets without the heavy cost of a direct sales force. Financially, SentinelOne is a hyper-growth, subscription-based business with elite net retention and expanding margins. Its recurring revenue model provides predictability, while strong customer retention signals satisfaction and trust in the platform. The balance sheet is strong, loaded with cash, allowing aggressive investment in R&D and go-to-market. This financial strength means SentinelOne can out-innovate competitors and seize new opportunities as they arise. The stock has been hammered post-IPO, but the business is executing at a high level. Short-term volatility has created a disconnect between the company's operational performance and its share price, presenting a potential opportunity for long-term investors. Institutional investors specializing in disruptive tech are quietly building stakes, seeing past short-term noise. Their conviction is a strong signal that SentinelOne's long-term prospects remain intact, even as the market sorts out near-term uncertainty. Security spending is non-discretionary. Companies can't afford to cut it, even in downturns. Cyber attacks don't pause for recessions, making robust protection a top priority for every organization, regardless of the economic climate. SentinelOne isn't just a better mousetrap, it's a new way of thinking about security. Proactive, predictive, and autonomous. It's about staying ahead of attackers, not just reacting to them, and that's a game changer for the industry. It addresses the shortage of skilled cybersecurity pros by automating detection and response. With cyber talent in short supply, automation is essential to keep organizations protected around the clock, without burning out human teams. Investing in SentinelOne is betting on AI-driven, autonomous defense as the only viable answer to modern threats. As attacks become more automated and relentless, only platforms that can match that speed and intelligence will prevail. Its market cap sits just under $5 billion, and it reports earnings per share of -$1.26. Revenue is projected at $621.15 million, while net losses reach $338.69 million in 2024. The scale of its losses reflects heavy investment in product development and market expansion, but it also underscores the growing demand for next-generation cybersecurity solutions in an increasingly digital and threat-laden world. The current valuation offers a rare chance to buy into a long-term growth story at a discount. For investors with vision and patience, SentinelOne represents a compelling blend of innovation, growth, and resilience. SentinelOne is changing the rules of cybersecurity. Its AI-first approach is setting new standards for what's possible in digital defense, and its momentum is only just beginning. Together, these three companies illustrate the spectrum of growth-stage technology firms. UiPath is profitable and scaling, GitLab is expanding aggressively while facing significant losses, and SentinelOne is betting on future cybersecurity dominance, investing heavily today for potential leadership tomorrow. Each plays a unique role in the evolving enterprise technology landscape and represents different risk and reward profiles for investors navigating the AI and automation-driven market. Which of these three AI companies do you think has the strongest long-term advantage? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and start a conversation about the future of AI and cybersecurity. There you have it, three foundational AI companies quietly being accumulated by Wall Street's smartest investors. UiPath powers automation, GitLab builds the software factory, and SentinelOne protects the digital world. These aren't hype stocks, they're pillars of the next tech revolution, each with deep moats and long runways for growth. Focus on long-term advantages, not short-term noise, and you could find yourself ahead of the crowd. If you want exclusive stock tips, in-depth analysis, real-time trade alerts, and free investing guides, join the Stocks Galore Patreon today and take your investing game to the next level. Our members there get full in-depth analysis on most of these stocks I mention here. Head over to patreon.com/stocksgalore and become part of our growing community of smart investors. Link is in the description. Like, comment, and subscribe for more investing insights. Thanks for watching.